Dear friends, today I am going to make egg puffs. You know how I am making it? It's in pressure cooker. You can watch it. സുഹൃത്തുക്കളെ, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് മുട്ട പപ്സ് ആണ്. അതും നമ്മുടെ പ്രഷർ കുക്കറിൽ. भाइयों और बहनों, मैं आज क्या बनना मालूम है आपको? मैं एग पफ्स बनना है और प्रेशर कुकर में है. Thank you. Please watch. Friends, what we have to do for making this egg puffs? First, prepare the flour and make a very good paste of maida. So we have to take around 500 to 600 gram maida for this. Okay, and we require water, salt, and one or two eggs that we can mix with this also. And after that, make a good paste and put instant yeast for this. So we have to mix all these together. Then after that we will add instant yeast and keep this for around some 20 minutes. So that is what our first process. So let's start. Friends, now I am starting with preparing this flour, and I have already taken this maida here. So I have to actually add this egg here. So I have to actually break this egg. Then I have to add this to the top of the flour. Ensure this shell is not coming there. That way you have to manage it. 2 egg I am taking to increase its taste. Depending on your cholesterol level, you can adjust this. I'm using this in the tabletop itself. I mean kitchen marble top itself. Okay, now I am just mixing this. You can use either hands or single hand as per your convenience. Now you can add pure water to it. Ensure it is not going excess. It requires good amount of water, so you can add whatever required quantity. Some amount of practice initially may not occur the way that you anticipate, but you can do it that way. Okay. You have to add salt as required. I'm using this for putting required salt. This is easy because it is spreading across all parts. You can add a little bit of edible oil. Initially also you can do that way, so that it will not stick to the base. That we can do, and also in your hand. But this needs some good amount of effort to make this completely mixing with the egg and maida along with the water. So it will take some time. Okay, let's add baking soda in this. Actually I don't have this yeast, so I am adding baking soda to this. Actually I have added flour again to this, so that it can be easily handled. Otherwise it is going to stick in the base. So after this almost mixing is done, now to make it easy, I have added flour in this. Okay, fresh flour, so it will not stick much. Okay, I think we have done almost on this. With the help of this flour, the added extra flour, dry flour, we can easily handle this. Okay, it's very much mixed right now, and it is very soft. We have to ensure that it is soft so that the samosa, sorry, this egg puffs will be very good, very sweet and taste. Okay. Actually, we can add 1 or 2 spoon of sugar to this, but I haven't added that because like sugar is that not that much good, but it will be sweet anyway. If you want, you can add sugar. Okay. We prepare this mix, this flour, and after that we have to keep this because we added soda in this, and we have to keep it this for minimum 30 minutes so that it will be good. Okay, I'm keeping it. Now let's start with preparing the masala for this egg puff. For that, actually, I have to put onion in a pan. I have to use a low flame for this. In this, I have to add a little bit of turmeric, very less turmeric, and then we have to add a little bit of chili powder, and then a little bit of coriander powder, then a little bit of salt, then a little bit of water, we are not adding pepper at the moment, but after little bit of cooking we will add a little bit of ghee in this. This take another 10 minutes. I have to increase the flame. You have to cook the onion very well, savala very well, and you can add water if required. And once ensure this onion cooked completely and water is completely over, you have to start adding ghee to that. Now water is almost over. I'm going to add ghee to that. This is enough. About 1 complete tablespoon I have added. Now I need to mix this thoroughly. And one thing is very clear, there is no water left in this. It's almost cooked. Now we can switch off this flame and keep it here. Then again we have to go back to preparing the sheet for egg puff. So let's keep watching. Start spreading flour to ensure this is not sticking. Now we have to take this flour, this mix, and then we have to make a sheet there. That is our plan. So we have to make a little bit of like this separately. It's looking similar to the paratha making process, but not that much huge process. We'll make each of these sheet. Now let me make the sheet with this. I'm just using a chapati roller. It's a careful process. You have to add flour in this so that it will not spread, it will not stick. You have to make a thin sheet of this. Okay, the shape doesn't matter, but make it in a good shape so that it will look nice. Now I am going to cut this into two pieces. So this will use for two egg puffs. Okay, here we have to fold it like this. Little bit small fold, a book fold we normally say. A book fold we have to do. After the book fold also, I will use some flour on top of it and then roll it. But very soft roll only this time I'm doing. Okay, this I'm just keeping separately. Then and to ensure it has enough space. Then I will add the second one also in the book fold shape. Okay, again I have to add a little bit of flour on top of it. Okay, again I'll just roll it a little bit. People can do it in different ways, doesn't matter. So this we made two. Similarly, we will make more. Last time also I second. Switch. Now I am placing this egg on top of this, and I have to actually add the masala that we made. I'm just taking the masala here, and I have to take a little bit of masala from this. Okay, this is good enough for one piece. So we can do this in two different ways. We can just do this way, and one is they just fold it on top, and this is fold it on top. Then we have to take this and then cover it inside. This other side also take it. It's easy. This is actually coming inside that thing. You can see that. Okay, now we made it, and partially we can see the egg outside. So this is one we made already, and I'm just keeping it in the side. The second one I'm going to place it just like this. Okay, if you want you can add a pepper in this. So I can just take a little bit of pepper. One I already done without pepper. Now I'm just putting some pepper here, and I can just put one or two pepper inside that also. Okay, pepper we can keep, and then masala again like this. I'm just showing again because like how exactly we can do this. And then now we have to fold it completely like this. Second fold will be coming like this. Then the fold, this is actually coming inside like a lock kind of thing. The opposite side also we have to just go and lock it so it will not go outside of this. So this I made two. So this is the way we can. Friends, now our egg puff base ready, and we made 10 egg puff here, and now it is to be baked. And interestingly, we have to bake this puff in pressure cooker, and we have to use pressure cooker and 3 teaspoons of oil for that. So let me start with that. So once the water completely over in the cooker, we have to add oil. Water still there. Still there. Now we can add oil. 3 teaspoons of oil we have to add. Yes, approximately 3 teaspoon oil there. Now we have to ensure that this is placing properly, so the oil will be equally distributed. Now we have to place this egg puff on top of it. I have placed the 4 pieces in this. Now I have to close this. We can place only 4 pieces in this. So I'm just closing this. Friends, now we have to actually turn this to upside down. It is around 7-8 minutes. If you put more time, then it will become dark. It's not a good idea. So I'm going to take it upside down. Let's change it. Easy. If we take more time, it will be more darker. That's not good. So ensure you are taking less time, and your oil level also. You require only small amount of oil. This will become a little bit darker. Don't worry. Only at the surface level it will be darker, but inside it is very good only. So, dear friends, we have made this egg puff. Now I can show you this. Here is the egg puff. Okay, it's completely ready, and it's good for eating now. We can see we have to manage the timing for pressure cooker so that it will be getting good. So we have made big pieces also, and we have made this. So I think you have enjoyed this video, and you can try this at home. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and relatives. Also, please subscribe to our channel so that you can get newly released videos very quickly. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.